Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Melanie Nanda and name 22042251. And I will present material related to 3 videos. The first video, new Prime Minister of Japan exchanges web distance over my heart. Congratulations on this occasion of this Global Technology Governance Summit of the World Economic Forum today. He has understand the government and business leaders from around the world all coming together in the summit, which is so thank you for discussion. Implementation is to technology good firmly on the post-COVID-19 I consider this to be very time often in the world over the agent COVID-19 is still reading what has access all-in-one structuring. This time is this the transformation most time experience have the challenge including stress and digital transformation input administrative service. The private sector. I have doubled my life that is only pressing forward with these two transportation that we can succeed in Asia. Japan being a good day when you say good government office. Essence, job and lifestyle in the country, side life in a city that is a kind society. WAO reform on to create the world most advanced to society for everyone can enjoy. It must benefit on the transformation that is worth to make this reality role of the government play in this to be the first to this effort the government is help the take your step forward. The King investment in September will establish AC and charge back to transformation as simple of control. Touch for reform is you overcome your regionalism and the lead in the transformation of the country. Cafe organization with strong out holding function and body the sinew X. Yes, we will also unity and systems. First, we maintain company information and other basic so-called cash registry and the sharing session and application of the at the same time. The point of life, no one is for reforms but the digital technology, and we will be sure to give consideration to communicate this house first to the digital. Japan country, which is also at the very forefront of dealing with the issue of declining population in order to create society that love on the weekend to make the great love of the power theology. The second round of common district court competition for women working in cooperation with other countries. Google thanks our domestic legal structure based innovation. By the way, the word of common is to contribute shopping. International order. While internationally the way touch me, what is like is background, there is a lot of trust. In order for all countries, the benefit of digital economy. Equally, I live now is the time to create talk the free flow with trust that has been acting will contribute to the preparation of line, smart shoes, discussion, basic principle, recording, the fourth of the and others digitalization. And the second video, presentation skill focus on some conceptual leadership and leadership of the district according to our experience. So they have some sense, purpose and very proactive, and they also very productive to assume the risk there be the price of common scientific public leaders, the sum obstacles to leadership because leaders belong to the group for some international institution organization has some else. They have a nice day and went on forging and they so happy historical record. Leadership is complex and never-ending learning process at the same time. Not just the lead to so we have leaders have to share the powers and ideas, and more important than is communicator interactivity. So there we can share the fight some here. The left side is the normative leadership, and more important things is the managerial or entrepreneurial leadership, and network leadership also very important. Online democracy, citizen providing ideas and citizen develop proposals, and citizen government inform citizen, and also consequently citizen provide information. So they're more circular, not linear, more circular, and also interactive process happen ways we have so many best practice portals through the government integrated data center. So we have whole country of South Korea has an example, the public server. Lastly, we have to always identify and understand the potential opportunity. How can you apply and how can solve the problem by the style, device, or distillation? The third video, governmentality, is a concept developed by Michael Foucault in his lecture series called Security, Territory, Population Foucault. This discussion three main forms of power. 1. Sovereign power. Sovereign power can be defined as the full right and power of a governing body over itself without any interference from outside source or bodies. Such power can be perfectly symbolized by a king whose right the power can never be challenged. The population simply has to abide by the law and regulation of the centralization power. Disciplinary power. Disciplinary power, on the other hand, is characteristic of the modern period, where power is exercised through disciplinary means is variety of institutions such as school periods. 3. Governmentality. The power of governmentality refers to the way in which people are instructed to govern themselves. Most importantly, governmentality shifts power from a central authority and distributes it among a population. Put simply, governmentality defines willing participation of the governed, which is based on the active consent of the populace. This is the material, and thank you.